Particle contamination in oil lubrication systems is one of the major causes of wear and failures in critical machinery. For over 10 years, Atten2 has been providing technical support to the industrial sector enabling them to make precise decisions thanks to their advanced and patented optical technology. By expanding the information on asset health and lubricant quality, problems can be detected or avoided early. As a pioneer in their industry, Atten2 launched their first sensor on the market over 10 years ago and has since developed 7 solutions with 36 associated patents. Their unique technology applies advanced image analysis and artificial intelligence techniques, allowing them to count particles and provide standardized information. ISO 4406 with exclusive features such as bubble discrimination, particle shape analysis, and fluid degradation. With thousands of sensors installed in over 20 countries, Atten2 has adapted its team of engineers to provide the best possible support according to each customer's needs. If you want to take control of your assets, contact the Atten2 team.